In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Trade Republic app. Now, usually if you've installed it, for example, on your Android or iOS device, it's going to update automatically when a new update comes out. So usually you don't have to worry about it. However, if it's not letting you into the app or something like that because you haven't updated your app yet, you can do that manually inside the Play Store. So I'm showing you this for Android over here, but I'm sure if you're using iOS or any Apple device, you'll be able to do that within their store as well. So go ahead and go into your App Store or Play Store in this case, and then from here you want to go to the search bottom right, and you want to go to the top, and then in here you want to look for Trade Republic. So type in Trade Republic. There we go, it's over here in the list, and then when you find it, you simply have to tap on where it says Trade Republic, so you have to go to its page, and then over here, as you can see, it says uninstall, and if there's an update, it's also going to say update, so just tap on the update button over here, it's going to start updating, and whenever that's done, you'll be able to see 100%, there we go, and then you'll be able to open the app again, and it's now going to be on the latest updated version. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.